It's like this. It's summer. If you're a parent or a caregiver, you walk in the door, I'm hungry. It's hard out there. All that eating can take a toll on your wallet, especially grocery bills are crazy. They're skyrocketing. The whole thing makes parents grateful for school meals.
Yeah, I can only imagine.
Sheesh.
Listen to this. According to a New York City schools spokesperson, the school system runs the largest daily food program in the country outside of the military, providing about 880,000 free meals each day. So when it comes to cooking up dinner, it is important to be both affordable and delicious. So for that, we have help from Chef Chris Valdes.
There he is.
He's the author of One with the Kitchen, the host of Que Delicioso on the Roku Channel. He joins us now with some recipes. Welcome back, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hold on, before we get to the thing, I see friendship bracelets.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
We are all
so
on
trendy.
trends.
Look at that.
His says pink.
So trendy.
Mine says strength.
I love it.
Mine says the name of my dog, Pinky. Yeah, she passed a year ago, so anytime I travel to New York, I bring her with me.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
precioso.
I like that. All right, what are we cooking here?
So talking about family and feeding everyone, you know, it's a big task. So I have this creamy chicken pasta that I like to feed when I know I have 6, 8 guests. I bring over 3 chicken breasts, cut them up, and that's good for about 6 guests.
Okay.
You can make this chicken ahead of time, cut it into cubes, freeze it, and then we're gonna finish this off with some olive oil. We're gonna add our cooked chicken, some garlic. Then we're gonna add, today I like using broccolini, but you could use some peas. You could add some pancetta in there. Yeah. I added some mushrooms as well. We're gonna add some cream and 3 different cheeses.
Yes.
And if you could help me stir that right there.
Mari.
We're gonna add some Gouda. And if you could help me add some of that cheese, a little bit of Parmesan.
Parmigiano?
And Romano, just a little bit of it.
Okay.
I like this because of all of the proteins.
And this guy too.
Yes, a little bit of Parmesan as well.
Chicken is
and
the
can you
most
smell that?
affordable.
It's amazing.
And by the way, since I know you ladies like eating good food, I add a little bit of truffle. It's not part of the saving money, but you both deserve it.
He made it fancy for us.
And then we're gonna add our pasta.
And I mean pasta. You can get pasta for as little as 99 cents.
That's right.
So by the way, I'm saving you some time by using some cream. So a lot of people make the bechamel sauce, which is you have to make the roux with the butter and the flour and then add the milk, and that takes forever.
Yeah.
But by just using the cream and then thickening it up with the 3 cheeses, you're gonna save so much time and so much mess in the kitchen. So that's a great little tip I have for you right there.
Beautiful.
Look at you, you've done this before.
So you're saving us time and you're saving us money by the ingredients.
And still making our bellies happy.
Yes.
What else you got?
This feels very fancy for being on a budget.
So in the meantime, I have a Caesar salad with a vegan dressing. So I like using the entire wedge of the romaine lettuce, and then I just cut it up into large rounds, and then I use some Parmesan cheese. I also put some Parmesan cheese in the oven so it crisps up, because for me texture's everything. So we're gonna add some more of that.
I like a crunch.
Some different cherry tomatoes, and if you could help me drizzle this vegan Caesar dressing that basically I make with half.
You want me to put it over the whole salad?
Yes, go for it.
I hear somebody crunching tomatoes.
I know.
And I also made the croutons with a little bit of butter. You could also use some good quality.
I love a homemade crouton.
Now,
You got some stale bread? Make a crouton.
Inquiring minds want to know, is it still a Caesar salad with the addition of tomatoes?
Of course.
Of course, that's
Is
what
that
I
a
said.
debate?
Our director wanted to know, is it kosher to have a tomato?
I think it's kosher.
I think it's very kosher as well.
So we have the pasta right here.
Beautiful.
And then we're going to add something green, because my doctor's always asking me if I'm eating my fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to add some of that.
Beautiful.
We also have to add a little bit of extra cheese.
Thank you.
Beautiful. On this business.
There you
It's a
go.
good crouton.
And that's the pasta right there if you want to help yourselves.
With a salad.
Then we have over here some of this bread. Basically, you could get some ciabatta, some of your favorite bread, toast it up with some butter and garlic. And I just made that fresh this morning.
you.
Look at you.
I'm gonna just.
Nothing like carbs in the morning.
Right.
You know what?
And in the meantime, while you enjoy that, I have 2 of these wines. I always like doing wine pairings, especially with pasta. So this one is La Bella Cedara, and it's just a great cost wine, and it's perfect with this
I love balling on a
pasta.
And
by the way,
affordable.
of course, I serve some in affordable.
Thank you, darling.
And then this white wine, which I'm more into the white wine.
Okay.
Le Pettegiola.
Le Pettegiola.
We need to bring an Italian person
I
here.
know.
Le Pettegiola. But
Also affordable.
Yes, also affordable, 2022. And then we always have to end it with something sweet, so we made a little tiramisu that basically I like making with some cream, some mascarpone, some of that instant coffee that we're going to dilute with a little bit of whiskey. I like adding a little bit of whiskey in there.
Well, that's a surprise to me.
Yes.
All on a budget.
All on a budget.
You have outdone yourself once again. Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
To family.
To family.
Family.
La familia. Okay, Chef Chris Valdes, thank you for joining us. And be
So
sure to
good.
follow him on Instagram at Chef Chris Valdes for all of that good.
A homemade crouton, man.
Goes a long way.